Can you be a little more polite?
Sweetheart.
Are you a pirate? Can you blow a kiss? Can you toot? That's gross. Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster? How about a pig that needs to go on a diet? How about your best friend the skunk?
Stinker.
Stinker. Can you fall down? Did that hurt?
Ow, ow, ow.
Cry like a baby? Can you fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Gonna make everyone scream. That sounds evil. How about a knock at the door? Can you get down? Can you sing in the shower? Is it dusty? The most annoying sound in the world. Ah! Can you do a cat? How about a dog? Can you bark? Good. About a big cat from the jungle. Can you do water? How about a knock at the door? Can you help me start the car? What'd you do for a peanut? Good. Can you get down?